As of now, we are here at the property of Airways and Blue Water. As part of our island tour, we will go to the famous Boracay Ilo. This area is part of Airways and Blue Water. We call this po yung Code 1. Kasi mayroong kong kaiba na speed. Luckily, these people are tourists. Are finished taking photo at the famous Eagle. Next one. No need to line up. Long line. Kaway-kaway ko sa vlog. The Northern Island that I have showed to you when we came down to Northern Island. Sa island hopping ma'am, pagka bukas yung ano na, automatic iikot dito yung pagka. Buong isla na Boracay iikotin. Pero for safety, pagka maalam pa rin dito, doon na lang po yan sa may west side, north side, mas ka sa kanan. Dalan sa practice. Mamaya ma'am, you can compare later because we have now the northeast moon. You can compare later here, a little bit rough, the water, at in front beach. So, yes. Before also the rehabilitation, we are allowed, especially before pandemic, we are allowed to take photo here. Yes, but the management of this area decided to put fence to avoid any accident. That's why we are not allowed anymore to go that way. By the way, the original name of this place is Lapus Lapus. Yes, Lapus means a home. They just change it to people since it's like a key. Oh my god, now we still have plenty of people typing here. And there is our Boracay. For safety, the management also decided the fence here to avoid any accident.